In one of the worst dreams I've had lately, I was doing my laundry and found maggots mixed in with my clean clothes. It was disgusting. I remember putting my hand in my laundry basket to get a shirt, but when I grabbed the shirt, I ended up with a handful of maggots. When I looked through my laundry basket, maggots were all through the pile of laundry. What on earth does this mean?
Dreaming of seeing maggots symbolizes your anxiety and fears about misfortune, disease, or even death. It may also signify some issue or problem that you have been rejecting, but that continues to eat away at you. You need to confront the issue to regain your sense of harmony and balance. If instead you dream you are stepping on maggots, this indicates a guilty conscience. Perhaps you were trying to suppress something you feel guilty about. However, stepping on maggots may also reflect your resilience, persistence, and your ability to bounce back from misfortune.